Oh crap! Hey, what's up, guys? This is my second YouTube video. You already know Graydon and Fritz was subscribe to his channel and subscribe to Robotic Apple, capital R, capital A. Even though he's not here.
Subscribe to Legendary White.
Of course, they already know because I'm recording it. Okay, here's Fritz with his freaking gun. Show him what the gun does.
You can reload. Pull that action. Shoot. I'll let you look at the gun.
Wait, how do you do the reload thing?
You press this.
No, the other one. Where you like pull it back.
Like just hold it.
Oh.
You're not even doing the.
Sorry, guys, you can't see. Sorry for being all shaky. He totally didn't do it. He totally didn't do it. He totally didn't do it. What's up? He totally did not do it. As you can see, I'm about to punch Graydon because he didn't do the ding dong dick.
At least I threw it at you. Are you gonna bring your guns out? Huh? Oh yeah. Come on, bring your guns out, dude. Oh man, I can't. How good a bitch. Come on. Go. We can't go to my house. Why? Because him. Huh? And you're not gonna say something mean about him, or else I'm gonna move your balls. Here.
Yeah, I guess that's it, guys. Subscribe, slap the bell, and hit it, and give me a like. And yeah. See you guys later.